You wake up in the morning and pick up your phone just for a minute. A few reels later, you are laughing at a meme. Then you are watching a random productivity video and suddenly it's been 45 minutes. If that sounds familiar, make sure to subscribe to X because this channel is all about helping you take back control of your life and become the best version of yourself. Today I will show you 5 dopamine habits that are silently stealing your time, focus and eventually your future. First, endless scrolling. Let's be honest, most of us don't open Instagram, YouTube Shorts or TikTok because we need something. We open them because we are bored. The problem is that boredom used to be useful. Today, boredom lasts about 5 seconds before we reach for our phone, and every swipe gives your brain a small reward. A funny clip, a shocking fact, a satisfying edit. Your brain starts getting used to be instant simulation. That's why studying for 30 minutes feels painful, but scrolling for 2 hours feels effortless. The solution is, instead of trying to quit scrolling completely, make it harder. Hide the apps from your home screen, turn your phone grayscale, or set a rule. No scrolling before finishing one important task. You don't need more discipline, you need fewer temptation. Second, checking notifications every 5 minutes. Imagine trying to read a book while someone taps your shoulders every 2 minutes. Annoying, right? That's exactly what notifications do to your brain. You're studying, you're working, you're focusing. If you don't open the notification, your attention is already gone. Research show it can take several minutes fully regain focus after interruption, and the most people get interrupted dozens of times a day. The solution is turn off every notification that is not important. Not tomorrow, right now. The fewer things competing for your attention, the easier it becomes to focus. 3. Consuming more than you create. This one hurts because it feels productive. You watch videos about discipline, you watch videos about business, you watch videos about self improvement, and after an hour you feel motivated, but nothing in your life has actually changed. Knowledge without an action is entertainment. You can watch 100 videos about getting fit, but your body changes only when you exercise. The solution is follow the 10-minute rule. After watching something useful, spend at least 10 minutes applying what you learned. One note, one workout, one action. Execution beats information every single time. Fourth, escaping every uncomfortable feeling. Feeling bored, open YouTube. Feeling stressed, open Instagram. Feeling lonely, start scrolling. Most people don't use their phones because they are entertained. They use them because they are escaping. The problem is that every single time you escape discomfort, you become weaker at handling it. And success requires handling discomfort. The solution is the next time you are bored, you don't immediately grab your phone. Sit with it for 5 minutes, go for a walk, think, let your brain be bored. That's where creativity and self control begin. Fifth, living for instant gratification. Imagine two versions of yourself. One watches another episode, and other spends 30 minutes learning a skill. The difference between them after one day is tiny, but after 1 year, their lives look completely different. Most people sacrifice their future for temporary effort, and they do it every single day. And the solution is whenever you are about to make a decision, ask yourself, will my future self thank me for this? The one question can stop countless bad choices. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to X and join me on this journey of becoming better one day at a time. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.